Hello everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on flood analysis will provide you with the steps to create flooding scenarios in your project. Analysis can be performed based on a single instance, which will reflect water levels to rise once, or continuous raise, which will reflect the water level to rise at a constant rate over a certain period of time. These settings can be set by the user. To begin this tutorial, let us begin by going over where the flood tool can be accessed. To access the flood tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Terrain Analysis group, select Flood. The flood tool property sheet is displayed. To create a flood scenario, in the property sheet, in the sample interval field, enter the desired distance between sample points. Next, in the property sheet, in the Scenario Type field, select a scenario, which are single instance or continuous rise. If you selected single instance, in the water level rise field, enter the initial water elevation in meters. If you selected continuous rise, set the following parameters in the property sheet: water rise rate, start time, end time, and time sample interval. Then, in the 3D window, click a point to mark the center of the circular area to be analyzed. Drag the mouse to set the required radius size and click again. I want to make a note that if the sample interval is smaller than necessary for an accurate assessment, a dialog box is displayed asking if you want to increase the sample interval to a recommended value. Click Yes to increase the size, or No to keep the sample size as is. The result of the flood analysis process is a set of polygons showing the flooded areas and is populated in your project tree. We went over how to create a flood scenario in your project. This concludes the tutorial on flood analysis. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.